Hello, I'm Waree Protprommart, and today I'm going to present on Google Play Store database for dashboards. For introduction, Google Play Store or Play Store offers the service as a platform to digitally distributed applications, books, movies, musical singles, television programs, and video games for Android and Chrome OS operating system. Google Play Store is used widely and globally, and their statistics report that Android is an operating system that is being used worldwide and has 71.42% market share over the world, which makes Google Play Store to be very influential. The purpose of our project is to take a raw data set of the Google Play Store applications informations and its user review table and turn it into a normalized database that would separate it into 5 tables, including application's name, application info, user engagement, feedback, and financial. All of this is the purpose to be ready for data analysts to make dashboard presenting to stakeholders. I grabbed the dataset of Google Play Store apps from this Kaggle, and I downloaded from here 2 files. Then go on to Jupyter Notebook, import pandas. I did an initial inspect. I remove all the NaN or nulls. I remove duplicates, and then I export it out to CSV and Excel. I did this for both files. After I did the initial explore and cleanse the data, I import it onto my local computer, and I will transport through SSH into the MySQL on the instance. Before I load the data from files to the table, I created a database called Google Play Store, and also in the command here that you see on MySQL Workbench, this is a command for creating the table for application data and user review. So we're going to go ahead and run this. And then I go ahead load data local info for both files in MySQL to the designated table. Now we're back to MySQL Workbench. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create the normalized table with the constraint primary key, foreign key into each tables. So for first table, application names, the primary key is app ID and constraint, the unique is app name. Second table, user engagement. The primary key is engage ID. The foreign key is app ID that we will reference from application's name, and it will be on delete cascade. For financial table, primary key here is finance ID, and foreign key is app ID. Application info, we have the primary key is info ID, and the foreign key same as the other. Lastly, we have feedback table. The primary key is feedback ID, and the foreign key here is app ID reference from application's name table. So now we're going to insert the information into our normalized table in the database. Over here, we can see the ERD that we created and their relationship between the tables. Now that we finished creating the database, we want to test out the queries that data analysts would typically query. We want to know how much sentiment is positive versus negative for the user for each application. So here we see that there are count of positive versus negative sentiment for each application. For example, for 10 best foods for you has 79 counts of positive sentiment reviews versus 5 negative sentiment reviews. Thank you for watching.